In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI as a music producer to grow on Facebook and TikTok. We're going to turn AI from a buzzword into a practical toolkit you can use to make more music, show up consistently, and build a recognizable brand. Start by locking in your producer identity before you touch any tool. Get specific about your genre, the vibe you want people to feel, who you're creating for, and where you want your career to go long term. AI multiplies direction. So the clearer you are, the better the results. Brand first, tools second. Next, use AI to increase your musical output without losing your style. AI AI MIDI generators, chord helpers like Scalar or Captain plugins, and even chat-based ideas for progressions or drum patterns can help you draft faster. Build quick sketches, then shape them with your sound design, arrangement choices, and mixing taste. Release consistently on platforms like YouTube, BeatStars, and TikTok. More quality output means more chances to be discovered, but always leave your signature on every track. Strengthen your visual branding with AI, because strong visuals make your music easier to remember. Use image generation tools for distinctive beat covers, Canva-style tools for thumbnails and promo graphics, and AI logo tools to refine your mark. Stick to a consistent color palette, a recognizable cover layout, and clean typography so your audience can spot your work in a split second. Automate your content pipeline with AI to stay present without burning out. Generate Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, YouTube descriptions, beat titles, hashtags, and even email promos in batches. Aim to create 1 to 2 weeks of content in a single session, then schedule it. Consistency builds authority. Create short-form videos that spotlight your creativity. Quick ideas like making a beat in 30 seconds, AI versus human comparisons, loop breakdowns, or behind-the-scenes sessions work well. Let AI help you write snappy scripts, brainstorm hooks, and refine concepts. Content builds trust, and trust turns followers into clients. Monetize with AI-assisted products. Craft loop kits, MIDI packs, drum kits, presets, and beat bundles. Then use AI to write compelling product descriptions, design cover art, and draft sales copy. Speed leads to more products and more revenue streams. Just maintain quality control. Level up your client communication with AI by drafting professional emails, collaboration proposals, simple contracts, and timely replies to artist inquiries. Clear, consistent communication strengthens your reputation. Finally, position yourself as an AI-enhanced producer. Embrace the label modern, innovative, future-focused. That message attracts artists who want cutting-edge